The market defines capital solutions in so many different ways. How we think about capital solutions is truly partnership capital for good companies to get better. A lot of these companies are in this in-between stage where they are looking for that next leg of growth. They could go back to the equity market and raise a lot of equity, but that would be expensive and dilutive. Or they could go to the traditional debt markets. However, the traditional debt markets offer a lot of restrictions on the companies.
Each business we work with, has a unique set of needs or objectives, and we structure our capital around those needs. And so our instruments range from senior debt all the way down the capital structure to structured equity and everything in between.
The whole approach is to be in partnership with executives as they think about capital raising. Companies want certainty about their capital structure in an unsettled environment. That's exactly what Capital Solutions does.
A couple different interesting industry dynamics that are driving demand for these deals. One, there are a lot of companies looking for capital to fund strategic M&A, and these companies often want not just capital, but a lot of the things we can bring to the table from KKR to help them with those acquisitions. We're also seeing a lot of privately owned companies, either private equity backed or family or founder-owned businesses that haven't wanted to either do a strategic sale or do an IPO because of the volatility of the markets over the past few years, but do want capital. And often those companies also really care about who they're partnering with.
In the past, people would talk about Capital Solutions as a distressed business. That's not what KKR is doing. We're making good businesses better. We really bring a hands-on approach.
When management teams partner with KKR, they're partnering with all the resources across the firm. They're getting the whole KKR brain.
We offer a differentiated network of value creation resources, including robust operational and strategic support, capital markets expertise, geopolitical expertise, and a robust advisor network.
The true competitive advantage of a capital solutions and why businesses should be using them is it's bespoke, it's flexible, it's often strategic for their goals, and they're doing it with a trusted party. They're getting more than just capital.